Okay, next I'm taking the problem related with the digits, and I'm taking here the exercise 3.4 question number 2 part number 3, so that you will get how we have to solve the question containing this kind of conditions, right? So here is talking about a two-digit number, the sum of the digits of a two-digit number. Before doing this question, I want to make some things clear to you. What are they? Suppose you have a number 15. Okay, can you tell me the difference in number and digits? If you know the difference, then the question will be easy for you.
The number is something like.
Here the number is what? 1, 5 or the 15?
15.
15 is the number and the digits are?
1 and 5.
1 and 5. Are you getting the things? Digits digits are from 0 to 9. So how many total digits are there?
10.
10 digits are there. Okay, but by using these digits we can make infinite numbers. So one of them is 15. You can give so many examples. 100, that is a 3-digit number but is a number. Suppose 29, 76, 2-digit number. If I'm taking the example 85, 79. So the number means which is formed by using the digits, and digits means this 1 2 3 4 0 to 9. So this should be clear to you, so that your question will be easier for doing. So here we have two-digit number. So again I'm taking the example 1 5. If it is a two-digit number, when you were in your lower classes, teacher told you about the unit place, tens place, 100 place and so on. Unit means the ones place. Here the ones place is 1 or 5? Ones place or the unit place is?
5.
5. This is units place. And what about this one?
Tens place.
Tens place. Okay. This is the digit of unit place 5, and 1 is on the tens place. And if I want to get if I want to just write it like, because it is 1 is at tens place, I can write it 1 into 10 plus the unit place 5, so that after solving it I will get the number again. One more example I'm taking. Suppose I have 36. How can you write that number? This is at tens place, unit place, 3 into 10 plus 6. Suppose I have a number 72. Yes.
7 multiplied by 10 plus 2.
7 into 2, 10 plus 2. So that means a number which is at tens place, I have to multiply that digit with a 10, and the number which is the digit at which is at ones place, that should be multiplied by 1. So I'm not going to write that into 1, because the multiplication with the 1 is the same. If I write it here 6 into 1 or 6, the meaning is same, the result is same. So this is just the basic concept of digits and number. Now we'll start with a question. I have a question here related with a two-digit number. So for solving these type of questions, you always have to suppose 4 things, because he's talking about the number, he's talking about the digit, and he's talking about the reverse order also. So I want to get here the 4 things. What are them? The first one is, we have to suppose, let the digit, I'm writing here digit, okay, digit at tens place, that is equals to x, and the digit at units place equals to y. If the digit at tens place is x, digit at unit place is y, then what will be the number? Number will be, accordingly, I told you how to write this 15. Accordingly, how I have to write a number whose tens place digit is x and units place digit is y. I'll get a number 10 into x plus y. Okay. In the same way, if I want to reverse this number 15, it will be 51, and at that time the reverse number will be just the ones place and tens place shifted each other, so it will be 10y plus x. So for solving out these kind of question, we should have these four things: the digit at tens place, the digit at unit place, what will be the number, what will be the reverse number. After getting all these things, you just have to apply the condition. Now see what are the conditions here according to the first condition. First condition is related with the digits, and digits are these two, x and y. So the first condition is sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. Sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. So what will be the first condition accordingly? Tell me. Sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9.
X plus y equal to 9.
X plus y equals to 9. So this is our first condition. Now the second condition. According to second condition. Second condition is also the 9 times of number. Is asking about number, and number is this one, right? 9 times number. That means 9 times 10x plus y. 9 times of number is twice the number obtained by reversing the digit. Twice of this. That means twice of 10y plus x. So now just open up the bracket. So what I get here? Yes, 9 into 10. It will be 90x plus 9y is equals to 20y plus 2x. Or solve it a little more. What I get here?
88x.
90 minus 2, that is 88x plus, this will be minus plus 9, and minus 20 will be minus 11y equal to 0. Can you cut this equation with 11? Because 11 is common here. So I get 11 8s are, 11 1s are equals to 0, and this is equation number 2. And after getting equation number 1 and 2, you just have to solve them either by elimination or by cross multiplication or by substitution. That is up to you. And I'm applying here the elimination method because y and y will cancel out each other. So add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. In elimination method, we just have to eliminate either the x variable or the y variable in any ways. So I am just writing here 8x minus y equal to 0. X plus y equals to 9. And y, this one cancel out, minus y plus y. 8x plus x is? 8x plus x is? It is 9x and equals to 9. This will cancel out. X equals to 1. Now put this value of x in equation 1. And this is the equation of 1 we have. X is 1, so 1 plus y equals to 9. And then we'll get the value of y from here. That is 9 minus 1 equals to 8. Now I have the values of x and y. But these are not the answers. If I'm writing here x equal to 1, y equal to 8 is the answer, that will be not appropriate answer because it's asking for the number. And these are the digits. X and y we suppose as digits. So the required number will be
180.
Required number will be, at starting I just told you the number is 10x plus y. So 10x, x means 1 plus y means
Eight.
8. So it will be 10 plus 8 equals to 18. And 18 is the required number. That is